Hello friends, so today we will learn how to make these beautiful flowers. The material I'm using, the Cotton Delight yarn in shade brown and purple and a 3 mm hook. We will need scissors. So let's start. First we will make a magic ring. Hold the working yarn on the top of the small end like this. The small end should be below and facing towards you. Hold it like this and just yarn over and make a chain. So our magic ring is ready. I will be making 12 single crochet. Then 11 and 12. Now after making 12 single crochet, I'm going to pull it tightly. Do a slip stitch here on the first single crochet. Again do a chain and cut it. Now pull it tightly. So that there is no gap. Let's start with another color. For that, I'm going to make a slip knot. Insert the hook on any of the single crochet. Yarn over, pull the loop and do a slip stitch. Now I'm going to do chain 3. After doing chain 3, I'm going to do 4 treble crochet. So the first treble I'm going to do on the next single crochet. Again on the same space I'm going to do 3 more treble crochet. So I have made 3 trebles. I'm going to do the last one on the same space. Now chain 3 and do a slip stitch on the next single crochet. So this has created our first petal. Now do chain 3, do treble on the next single crochet, I have created 2 trebles, I will be making 2 more. I have created 4 trebles. Now chain 3 and do a slip stitch on the next single crochet. Again chain 3. Now do 4 treble on the next single crochet. One more. I will be repeating this as my tension got loose here. So I need to make 2 more trebles. We need to make sure the tension of the yarn is same throughout our project, otherwise it will not look good. Okay, so I have made 4. Now chain 3 and slip stitch on the next one. Now again chain 3 and do a treble crochet in the next single crochet space. If your yarn is thicker than me, you might be getting only 4 petals or 5 petals. It will depend on the size of your yarn. Or you can play around with the pattern. Instead of 4 trebles, you can do only 3 treble. So that will create a thinner looking petal. Or instead of trebles, you can also do double crochet. So that will make little smaller flower. So now chain 3, slip stitch on the next, chain 3, and 4 trebles the next single crochet. If you want to learn how to do treble, so in double crochet we take the loop once, but in treble we take the loop twice. So that is the only difference. And here yarn over, pull through 2 loop, again yarn over, pull through 2 loop, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So 3 times we are pulling the loops. So that's why it's called treble crochet. So I have to do one more. Now again chain 3, and do a slip stitch on the last single crochet. So to secure it, I'm again doing a slip stitch on the first chain 3 space. And cut the yarn. So our flower is ready. So like this, you can create different size of flowers. Here I have just used double crochet, and with double crochet I did only chain 2 and 3 double crochet, chain 2, and here I did chain 3, 4 treble crochet and chain 3. So if you want smaller flowers, you can do double crochet. If you want flowers like this, you can do treble crochet.